Hello, Oz here, and I want to answer a question about, we know these sites, the cost, the number of days, the city, and we want to look at customers who say that they have a certain amount of time and a budget. That's very different from saying somebody who wants to go to the Louvre and you tell them, okay, you're going to Paris and it's going to be $1,400 and you have 11 days. Great. Well, they only have 8 days. The $1,400 is not a problem, but they only have 8 days. Oh, maybe they need to look at going to the Biodome in Montreal. So rather than fishing through all of these sites and costs and days, let's do a pivot table. But the pivot table is not where we're going to end up. So we're going to put costs on the rows, and we're going to put sites in our values, and then the number of days in our columns. But where we're really going with this is insert slicer. So now we say site, cost, number of days, city. This is what we want. This here, I want to put the city and sites together. Number of days, say the person says they have 4 days, they want to look at say 4, 3.5, and 3. That's their vacation time. And they have a budget of say $1,400. Look down. All right, so let's look at these prices. These are the choices that are left: Independence Hall, Rodin Museum, Statue of Liberty, Stone Arch Bridge in Minneapolis, or Wrigley Field. That's it. Let's clear the filters, and now let's look at someone who has say 10 days and a budget of $1,000. This person, okay, so let's look at 11, 9, and 8, and their budget is $1,000. There are no choices, because look at this, the only thing, the lowest that's available is $1,400. So this person needs to start looking at, can they spend $1,400, or maybe less time. Let's do that. So if they don't want to spend their whole time somewhere else, then maybe we can open this up and say, consider 7, 6, 5, 4.5, and 4 days. Now we get some things opened up. Now we can say, let's look at 1190 to 999. Now we have some choices: Statue of Liberty, Place des Arts in Montreal, Independence Hall, Cathedral of St. Paul. So that would be that person's choice based on their time and budget. So that's it, and I hope that answers the question. And send in any more questions and I will get you an answer. Thanks a lot.